Myself, Dr. Sujit Kadam, MD Medicine Physician, Consulting Physician, practicing at College Road, Nasik. Today we'll discuss regarding the antibody cocktail. You all might be aware regarding the antibody cocktail, which is used for the Honorable President of the US, Mr. Trump, ex-president. So right now, just a few days before, it has been launched in India, and now it is available in the market with some emergency use approved by the ICMR. And now we are getting this product, and today I have used the first dose of the antibody cocktail, which is containing casirivimab and imdevimab. So combination of these two drugs, which has been given already. So what the things you have to remember while using this drug? The basic thing, first we have to understand that to whom we have to use this drug. So anybody age more than 12 and weight more than 40 kgs, we can give this drug. But before giving that drug, you should remember that the patient selection criteria is the patient has to be some comorbid conditions, or they means they are at the verge of some risk of developing the severe COVID. But still that patient is not at the verge of severe COVID. The patient should be given this drug immediately when they are lined up with the COVID-19 infection. RT-PCR report is positive, and immediately positive report within next 4 to 5 days we can give this drug when that patient is not having any kind of hypoxia. So the patient class, you are already I told you regarding the patient class. So this drug is easy to administer, nothing to do. Actually this drug comes in a combination of these two drugs, plus it is having multi-dose vial, means it is having 2 doses inside, but the vial is single. That's what you should be in a position to having the 2 patients at a time, because once you open this vial, there is only a window period of I think some 48 hours only to give the second dose. So you cannot store the second dose for long term, and you have to utilize both the doses immediately. So you should arrange 2 patients simultaneously, and that will be very easy thing when you have the 2 patients, and you can give this drug immediately to the 2 patients. So that will be easy to give both the patients, and most important thing is cost effectiveness for both the patient, because this multi-dose vial comes at the cost of, I think the market retail price is 1,20,000, and if you are having 2 patients, they can share this cost at 60,000 per head, and they will be means cost effective. So today we have utilized first dose of this drug at my center, Sarth Clinic, College Road, Nasik, and we will be using this drug subsequently, and whatever the updates regarding this molecule, we will update you in the subsequent videos. So for today we'll stop here. Thank you so much.